Do you like my shirt? Look at my shirt. Hi guys, what's up? It's Kat. I know that these videos have been super popular on YouTube, but I have not yet seen anybody do Whitney Simmons, and obviously I make very similar types of videos to her, and I have been in love with her and her channel since I found her channel November of 2016. Yes. Ever since then, I have just, I'm sure like a million other people, I've been in love with her channel. She is incredible. I was so pumped to start getting these pictures, and when I was thinking about it, I was like, why don't I try recreating some of her videos as well? I chose 2 of her videos and 3 of her pictures. If by some miracle, Whitney, you are watching this video, first of all, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope that you feel I do your pictures and videos justice and you like them. I cannot tell you and all of you guys how much fun I had doing this. Before I leave this video, if you are new here, like I said, my name is Kat. I make a ton of health and fitness and workout and food and healthy lifestyle type videos, and also comment down below any other people that you want to see me copying their Instagram, because I definitely want to do more of these videos. This is super fun. Or if you want me to do like a part 2 to Whitney's and then recreate more of her posts, I'm so down for that. Let's get into the first picture. What's up guys? We are currently working on taking this picture right here. I have on, I'll show you my outfit. So as you can see in the picture, Whitney is just wearing a black sports bra with some black shorts, and then she has on pink sneakers, but I don't have pink sneakers, so I have my purple Converse on. So we just took a bunch of pictures, and I thought that they were turning out really well, and then Tim was like, wait a second, I think you're holding it on the wrong hand, and I realized it was flipped, so we have to redo them. Now, I really like how this picture turned out. I'm not gonna lie, of the 3 pictures I took, it's probably like my 3rd favorite. I tried to get like the girls to look like hers did in her video, her picture, but you know, first of all, my sports bra was, sorry, there's hair. First of all, my sports bra was like not push up whatsoever. It was super compression. I mean, I don't know what hers was. It wasn't working for me. I also don't have the biggest boobs, so you know. But other than that, I feel like I got most of it on a point. The first video. I love watching them play like right next to each other. If I don't even care, is that really such a crime? Obviously, I did not have the same exact outfit as her, so for the pants, I just wore these pants that are by 90 Degree. Now, the fun thing about this is I remember seeing her post a video about Lululemon dupe pants or something a while ago, and she mentioned and like tried on these exact same pants, same color, same, like just this exact same pair of pants. So when I was thinking about what pants to wear for this video, I was like, I already have these. This is perfect. Oh, and definitely let me know in the comments what your favorite picture or video was. Let me know. Hi guys, I'm outside in front of the garage right now, and I'm about to take this picture. It's very cold though. It's actually like 30 degrees right now, but I have my mom. She's gonna take the picture for me. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. We just took a ton. I think that there's a lot of good ones. I hope that I'll be able to find one, but this picture right here that I have, I thought about trying to recreate the picture that she had, like her picture of as well, so that it would be exact, but then I thought about it and I was like, the whole point of the picture is to do a progress picture, so I thought obviously the picture I'm holding up will be different, but it's a lot better if it's actually a progress picture of me. This picture right here was actually taken when I was a senior in high school. I just remember seeing that picture and being so just not happy with it, and I didn't like the way I looked. Obviously there's something to be said that I'm standing in a much more flattering pose in this current picture than in this one right here, but I also see a ton of changes in my body. It's currently 33 degrees outside, so I'm gonna go inside and have to go to work now, but I hope you guys like this picture. This one is my favorite. I don't know what it is about this, but I really feel like I nailed this one. I don't know, I like the pose, and yeah. Second video. The videos are my favorite because it's just like, I just love it. And this, I had the exact outfit, like the whole Gymshark red flex leggings suit. What?
I woke up in
I liked this one a lot. And one of my favorite parts of this is in this clip right here, you can see Tim just lying like this while he's filming. Overall, I think that I got pretty close with all of the different aspects. We're on to the last picture. When I decided I was going to do this video, I immediately knew that I wanted to recreate a picture of her wearing one of her own clothing pieces. So I went through her Instagram, I found this picture, I went on to her website and I looked for the shirt. But of course they were sold out. But then I finally saw her post on her story that it was restocked, and I was actually at work, but I just dropped everything and grabbed my wallet and my phone and ordered it quickly so that like I would make sure to get it, it wouldn't sell out. It's just the black crop top with her little logo right here. It's so soft, by the way. Super, super phenomenally soft. Phenomenally soft? That's what it is. This is my carpet. Obviously in the picture she has a white one. So we are going to be going to my sister's room. She said that I could borrow her white carpet, so I had to move that into my room. Isn't that cute? Hi Sal, that's my sister's kitten. Now this picture, obviously she's like taking a selfie of herself in her long mirror, but I do not have a long mirror like that. So I took my phone, propped it up on my dresser, and then pressed record, and I like posed, as you can see here. I'm doing all the little poses. And then I just screenshotted the one that I liked, and I think it turned out pretty good. Another notable factor in this for this picture is obviously when she takes it in the mirror, it's flipped. So I had to add the mirror effect and flip it when I was editing it, which wasn't a big deal. But my bed like flipped to the other side. But overall, I am super happy with how this picture turned out. If you've been keeping track, this is my second favorite of all of the 3 pictures. These pictures should already be up on my Instagram, so go comment on them and like say that you came from this video. That will make me so happy. Again, Whitney, if you are by some miracle watching this video, first of all, wow, thank you so much for like watching it and then watching the whole thing. That blows my mind. That really blows my mind. But I hope that you feel I did all of your pictures and videos justice and you like it and enjoyed how everything came out. It means so much to me that all of you guys watched this video, and I hope you enjoyed. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.